Good morning everyone. Welcome you all on the platform of Shaurya Academy. Now we are going to start our new program for UPSC and State PSC aspirants. These are the following programs which are to be launched from today. Number 1, daily topic wise video. In this program, you will get daily videos from a particular subject in a systematic order. Not like today's lecture from one topic and tomorrow's from anywhere. All those topics will be systematic and chapter by chapter. So that only by following these videos, you can complete your GS preparation. And the most important thing, this would be totally free. There would not be any kind of fee for this program. Now come to the second program, and this will be T20 series. You know all that's impact of IPL. Everything is going. Even one of my friends told me he was going to the T20 Mushaira. This series would be totally focused on your prelims test. Under this, you will daily get 20 PT questions, some of them from previous examination. Some new questions will be made by our team, and after some time you will get the solution of those questions with detailed explanation on our YouTube channel, so that you could prepare and practice your prelims examination. It would be very helpful for that. Our third program will be daily current affairs. As you all know, from last few years, the portion of current affairs is continuously increasing in UPSC and other examinations. So it's very important to cover our current affairs on daily basis. If you think that within 15 days or 20 days you could cover the entire current affairs of last 1 year, that would be very difficult and very confusing also. You may forget something. So it would be much better to prepare your current affairs on daily basis, and that's why we will provide you the topics daily on our YouTube channel, and which would also be very helpful for a prelims examination as well as for mains also. Further, we will try to prepare some questions for PT and mains based on the topic of current affairs. The next program will be targeted batch for prelims and mains. Under this, the complete preparation of UPSC. Program will be given to you from the very beginning up to your interview. we will provide each and everything: video lectures, PDF notes, test series, and various other study materials, whatever would be required for the preparation. And this could be our paid batch. Though the first 3 programs will be totally free. T20 series will also be free, and daily current affairs classes will also be free. But this will be our paid batch. And in addition to this, optional subjects will also be provided. And right now, optional classes for 3 subjects are available: history by Satyam Tripathi sir, geography by me, and political science and international relations (PSIR) by Prateek sir. So these 2 programs will be paid programs. Here with videos you will get PDF notes also and text series also. Text series for these 2 programs will be totally free, but other people could also join our test series program, and this will comprise of pre-test series and mains test series. 21 tests will be given. First 16 subject wise or paper wise, and last 5 full length tests will be there. Similarly in mains also, but there is a limitation in our mains batch. Only 300 students could join our mains test series batch, not more than that. And already I have told you that this program will be free for the students of our paid batch. Whomever would join our 4th and 5th program will be given free test series. So there would be very less space for other students in this program. One can question, why only 300 students? Actually, that's not our limitation. Our target to provide better facilities and better quality to less students rather than to provide poor qualities to more students. That's why we have kept the limit of 300 students only for the mains examination. Finally, it's a new platform and totally updated for each and every competitive exam, especially focused on UPSC and state PSCs. If any suggestion from you, you may put into comment box, or you can call us, you can WhatsApp us on the following numbers: 90588 05376, 9415 320 270, and 8081 444 560. If you have any query, any suggestions, you are always welcome, and you can contact us through these numbers either on call, either on WhatsApp, either on Telegram. Thank you very much.